Hi everyone! In this video, we will look at a normal distribution problem using a Ti-84 calculator. Suppose that the weight of cherries is normally distributed with a mean mu equaling 6 ounces and a standard deviation sigma equaling 1.4 ounces. What proportion of sweet cherries weighs between 6.2 and 7 ounces? Round to 4 decimal places. For this problem, we need the distribution menu, which is located on the vars key. Since distribution, or DISTR, is in blue, we need to use the second key first to access that menu option. So we'll click on second, vars, and then we want option number 2, normal CDF. So I'm going to arrow down to it and click on enter. Now, some older calculators may not have this screen. If that's the case, I'll show you what to do in a minute. So the lower bound in this problem is 6.2. So I'm going to type in 6.2 and then click on the down arrow. The upper bound is 7. So I'm going to enter that and click on the down arrow. The population mean mu is 6. And the population standard deviation sigma is 1.4. So from here, I'm going to arrow down and click enter to paste. Now, if you have an older calculator, normal CDF with an opening parenthesis will appear. From here, you would type 6.2, comma, and the comma key is located above number 7. And then 7, comma, 6, comma, 1.4, and then close the parenthesis. Now for everybody from here, we can click on enter. So the probability is 0.2056762897. So to answer the question to 4 decimal places, the probability is 0.2057. And now we're done.